Hello, my little friends. Today, we are going to learn about colours. Are you ready? Let's go. This is red colour. Can you say red? This is a red apple. This is a red hat. This is a red ball. This is red. Can you say red? This is orange colour. Can you say orange? This is an orange. This is an orange carrot. This is an orange crayon. This is orange. Can you say orange? This is yellow colour. Can you say yellow? This is a yellow banana. This is a yellow sun. This is a yellow duck. This is yellow. Can you say yellow? This is green colour. Can you say green? This is a green leaf. This is a green frog. This is a green broccoli. This is green. Can you say green? This is blue colour. Can you say blue? This is a blue balloon. This is a blue t-shirt. This is a blue umbrella. This is blue. Can you say blue? This is purple colour. Can you say purple? This is a purple cup. This is a purple gloves. This is a purple pillow. This is purple. Can you say purple? This is pink colour. Can you say pink? This is a pink flower. This is a pink bow. This is a pink dress. This is pink. Can you say pink? This is white colour. Can you say white? This is a white snowflake. This is a white bunny. This is a white cloud. This is white. Can you say white? This is brown colour. Can you say brown? This is a brown bear. This is a brown chocolate. This is a brown trunk. This is brown. Can you say brown? This is grey colour. Can you say grey? This is a grey elephant. This is a grey teapot. This is a grey mouse. This is grey. Can you say grey? This is black colour. Can you say black? This is a black cat. This is a black boot. This is a black sunglasses. This is black. Can you say black? Excellent, that's all for today. Goodbye, my little friends.